Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we're going to talk about multiple chromatic approach notes. What I mean by multiple chromatic approach notes is when you approach the target note with more than one chromatic approach. So let's have a look at the first 4 bars of this B-flat blues and see how that works. So for the first 4 bars I'm going to play root and root again, so twice the roots. I can either play the root at the same place or an octave up. So for this 4th bar I chose to play the root, an octave up, and then approaching the E flat 7 chord with 2 chromatic approach notes. So that means F, E natural, E flat. Then repeat the E flat and then approach the B flat with 2 chromatic approach notes as well. B flat an octave up, and then approach the F minor 7 chord with 2 chromatic approach notes, G, G flat, F. Okay, for the next 4 bars, this time I'm going to play root, 5th, and 2 chromatic approach notes. So E flat, B flat, and then approaching the E flat, because the next chord is repeating the E flat. So D flat, D natural, E flat, root, and then approaching the B flat with 2 chromatic approach notes. Root, 5th, 2 chromatic approach notes to G, so F, F sharp, G, 5th, 2 chromatic approach notes to C. So for the last bars, this time I'm approaching still doing the 2 chromatic approach notes, but playing the 3rd on beat 2. Root 3rd, 2 chromatic approach to F. Root 3rd, 2 chromatic approaches to B flat. So let's play this whole thing again. Yeah, that sounds like that. For this next exercise, we're going to play 3 chromatic approach notes leading to the target note. So B flat, then 3 chromatic approach notes leading to E flat. So C, D flat, D natural, E flat. Now we're going to B flat 7, so we're doing the same. To F minor. On this bar, I decided to not use the 3 chromatic approach notes. Instead, I'm going to use a triad. 3 chromatic approach notes leading to B flat. 3 chromatic approach notes leading to G7. Going to C minor. Going to F7. To B flat. Back to the top. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can download the backing track as well as both exercises in PDF format on my website. There will be a link in the description. See you next week.